Welcome to Focus English with Cece.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. Let me start with a simple question. How's the weather where you are right now? Maybe it's sunny, maybe rainy, or maybe a little cloudy. You see, weather is something we all share. No matter where we live, we all look at the same sky. And that's why talking about the weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English. You don't need to think too much. Just say it's sunny today or it's raining again. And suddenly you're talking. Now, let's go to the story today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Weather is always around us. When you wake up in the morning, you check the window to decide what to wear. When you meet a friend, you might say, "It's so hot today," before talking about anything else. Even strangers on the bus or at the cafe can connect just by mentioning the weather. For English learners, this is perfect because it gives you real, simple practice every single day. Let me tell you a short story. Last Monday, the sun was shining bright, warm, and beautiful. I went for a walk in the park and felt so happy. But on Tuesday, everything changed. It rained all day, so I stayed home, made some tea, and read a book. On Wednesday, it was windy. My hair went everywhere, and umbrellas almost flew away. That's the thing about weather. It changes so fast, but it always gives us something to talk about. Now, let's listen to a little conversation between two friends. Pay attention to the simple words they use.
Hi, Cece. How's the weather today?
Hi, Tony. It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk.
Nice. Yesterday was so rainy.
I know. I stayed inside and watched a movie.
Rainy days are perfect for hot chocolate.
Exactly. Today, I'm going to the park with a book.
That sounds relaxing. I might go for a bike ride if it stays sunny.
See how natural that was? Just with a few words like sunny, rainy, warm, they created a friendly conversation. And now, my friends, let's move on to the next part. I want to share with you 10 common weather words that you can use every day. Sunny, meaning when the sun is shining with no clouds. Rainy, meaning when it is raining. Cloudy, meaning when the sky is full of clouds. Windy, meaning when there is a lot of wind. Snowy, meaning when snow is falling or the ground is covered in snow. Hot, meaning when the temperature is very high. Cold, meaning when the temperature is very low. Storm, meaning when there is heavy rain, strong wind, and thunder. Foggy, meaning when there is thick mist and you cannot see clearly. Warm, meaning when it feels a little hot but comfortable. These 10 words are simple, but you can use them every single day to describe the world around you. Now, let's learn some sentence patterns that make it easy to use these words in real life. How's the weather today? Meaning, a question to ask about the current weather. It's plus adjective plus today, meaning a simple structure to describe today's weather. I stayed inside because it was plus adjective, meaning used to explain the reason why you did something, linked to the weather. perfect weather for plus activity, meaning used to suggest which activity is suitable for the weather. I hope it stays plus adjective, meaning used to express a wish about the weather continuing in the same way. Present simple, meaning used to describe facts, routines, and things that are always true, like the weather. Structure, subject plus verb, base form, plus object. Past simple, meaning used to talk about weather or activities that happened in the past. Structure, subject plus verb, past form, plus object. Because clause, meaning used to explain the reason for an action. Structure, main clause plus because plus clause. It's plus adjective plus today, meaning a common way to describe the weather in English. Structure, it's plus adjective plus time word. I hope it stays plus adjective, meaning expressing a wish about the weather continuing. Structure, I hope plus it stays plus adjective. Now, here's your little challenge. Think about the weather in your city this week. Was it sunny, rainy, windy, or maybe all of them? Try to make 2 or 3 sentences using these patterns. For example, on Monday it was sunny. I went to the park. On Tuesday it rained all day, so I stayed home. Simple, clear, and very real. Before we finish, I want to ask you, does the weather change your mood? Do you feel more alive in the sunshine or cozy when it rains? Share your answers and let's keep learning together. Thank you for listening to the story today. I hope you enjoyed the story and practiced some real-life English. I've created a free PDF with new words and sentence patterns from today's story, along with easy examples. It will help you learn more easily and more quickly. Also, just click the link in the description to download your free PDF gift. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle stories. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you next time, my friend.